I'm Morten. Today I will be going through this question from Rosa's Prelims 2025 Paper 2. The graph below shows the number of cakes baked by oven A and B. There was an order for 540 cakes to be baked. In the first 30 minutes, cakes were baked in both oven A and oven B. Then, oven A broke down. In the next 2 hours, only oven B continued to bake cakes at the same rate. A. How many cakes could oven A bake in 1 hour? B. At what time would oven B complete the order of baking the 540 cakes? Okay, so as we can see here, there is 3 gaps between every 12. Okay, so to find how much is 1 gap, we do 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So now we can see that the number of cakes A and B baked after 30 minutes is 28. Okay, then we see that the number of cakes only oven B made is 16 for 30 minutes. So we can find how many cakes oven A baked in 30 minutes by doing 28 minus 16 equals 12. But we need to find how many cakes could oven A bake in 1 hour. And 1 hour is twice of 30 minutes. So we could do 12 times 2 equals 24. This is our answer for A. Okay, next. Oven B, what time will oven B complete the order of baking 540 cakes? Okay, so oven B bakes 16 cakes per hour, per 30 minutes. But we also need to include the cakes oven A helped oven B bake in the first 30 minutes. Okay, so we first find how many 30 minutes only oven B used to make the cakes. Okay, so we do 540 minus 28 equals 512. That means that oven B had to bake 512 cakes when after oven A broke down. So we find how long did that take? Okay, so 512 divided by 16 equals to 32. But then we minus out the first 30 minutes. So we must add that back. 32 plus 1 equals 33. Okay, so now to finish the order, it took 30 minutes. Okay, so we find how many minutes is that in total by doing 33 times 30 equals 990. And we can find how many hours is that by doing 990 divided by 60 equals to 16.5. Okay, so the baking started at 8 a.m. Started at 8 o'clock. Okay, then 16 hours passed. And then after the 16 hours passed, it is now 12 a.m. or 0 o'clock the next day. Okay, but there's still this 0.5 of the hour. which also stands for 30 minutes. So we must go another 30 minutes, and it becomes 12:30 or 0:30 the next day. The oven bee will complete the order of baking the 540 cakes at 0030. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them. If you love what you're seeing, give me a like. Thank you. Bye!